Do you find planning lessons stressful? If so, today I'll tell you how to plan your lesson using the approach Test, Teach, Test. Hey everybody, you're watching my YouTube channel where I talk about teaching foreign languages. So if you are new here, you may consider subscribing. So let's talk in detail how to plan your lesson using Test, Teach, Test approach. Here are stages and aims of your lesson. The first stage is leading. You may show your students a video or ask them some questions in order to generate interest of target language. The next one is test. Here you may give your students exercises such as fill in the gaps, categorizing, ask your students to rank vocabulary, answer questions, or maybe transform sentences, etc. And the purpose is to understand what your students know and what they do not know. Actually, you test them. The third stage is feedback, and also it is called teach. Here you teach your students and you give, of course, feedback on the first test and you teach problem areas. The next one is test. Again, you may give your students exercises such as to ask your students to fill in the gaps, rank vocabulary, answer questions, categorizing, gap fill, etc. And your purpose is to provide students with controlled practice using target language and again to understand and to see your students' progress. And the last stage is freer practice. Here you may have some talks, discussions, role plays, etc. And of course the aim is to provide students with freer practice using target language. Have you ever tried the approach Test, Teach, Test? If so, share your experience with us in the comments. If you like this video, share it with your friends or colleagues. And see you guys on Thursday.